Welcome, everyone. In this easy tutorial, I'll show you how to verify website connectivity on Google servers instantly. This is a Python script for final year students. This Python script allows users to check if a website is online and accessible. It provides real-time feedback through a graphical interface, ensuring ease of use. If a website is down, the user is informed of potential reasons, example, invalid URL or no internet connection. Working principle, step by step. There are 5 steps includes Step 1, User Interaction, Step 2, URL Verification, Step 3, HTTP Request, Step 4, Response Handling, Step 5, User Notification. Libraries and methods used in this Python script. There are 3 types of libraries included: urllib request, kinter message box. There are 4 types of methods included: test connectivity, check URL, on hover, on leave. Checking internet availability. 1. If no internet is available, the urllib.request.urlopen function raises an exception. 2. The code handles this exception and updates the status label with invalid URL or website down. Software requirement. You can download the latest version of Python. Here you can see an overview of the flowchart. Final output, don't miss it. How to run the Python script on command prompt. How the code checks the website.